How to record a Zoom meeting on your laptop, PC, or computer. Hello everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are providing you with a visual guide on how to do so, which should be pretty easy. So let's get started with the process. So you may open up Zoom. I'm just gonna open up a browser. You can go to the application instead if you do not want to use the browser, and sign up if you're not signed in. And once we are signed in, this is the particular interface we should be finding. Now what we can do is we can either schedule or join a meeting at the moment. So I'm just gonna join one to show you as an example like this, and you need to provide in a meeting or personal link name. Just go ahead and do so, and then this is the particular interface what you should be finding on your screen. Now if you'd like to go ahead and record, what you need to do is basically look out for the more option, click on it and select the option of record. Usually you should be finding a record option within your meeting itself if you are the host of the meeting, and then record it. And once it starts recording, you can just go over and pause or stop recording or end the meeting. If you want to end it, click on end option here in the bottom and select end meeting for all, and the recording should also stop. But usually you just need to find the record option on your meeting. Usually only hosts are allowed to do it. So if your host has allowed the recording, even participants can just go over and record it. And also always inform before recording. It's very respectful and sometimes legally required as well, so you may do so. And if not there, sometimes even heading over to your settings, look out for my account in the left hand side menu and select the settings option within that. And once you find the settings option, you may just go over and go to recording section, and there ensure this option is turned on, record to computer files, and you can select these options available here. You can filter it out and ensure this option right here called automatic recording is turned on. So what happens is if you do so, it will automatically start recording your meeting when you join up a meeting, and it will be saved to your computer or your device if you're using that particular device. And that's it. So usually this is it. Usually these are the methods you can follow up to go ahead and record on your PC or computer on Zoom. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.